Now, I don't mean to string you along. I must tell you that I haven't always been a magician. I mean, actually, I was born with magical capabilities. But the idea of prestidigitation is something that actually just came to me when I saw a magician do this. He did some rope legerdemain. He used a long piece of rope. And interesting, this rope is very similar to this. It has two ends and a center that's located somewhere near the middle. And what he did, he took those two ends and put them into his hand. He grabbed the middle and he brought it right up to the top. And then he cut it. Listen, oh, okay, try this. Okay, and then what he did is he gave it a cut. And so now he had two ropes, each with an end, each with two ends, and a middle. Actually, they're exactly the same. I guess they weren't. Okay, let's. Okay, yeah, two ropes are exactly the same. Now, I have to tell you that I saw what he did. I mean, it was amazing because the next thing he did is he joined them together into one rope. And I'm going to try to do this, and I'd like you to help me out if you would. Really? Okay, on three, I want everybody to yell, join up, because that will join up the rope, okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2. You sure you know what you need to do? 3. Tell the person next to you, join up. 1. He may be sick, but he's useful. 1, 2, 3 years ago I did this. And people did not scream loud enough. Yeah, let's shake the rafters. Okay, enough of that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Join up! Right on the left, left on the right. Hey! Hey! You know, I'm very impressed. Well, I'll tell you what, there's something else I can do. I can take that nut and I can drop it right down here without touching it. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I can do the other way too. Or you know what I can do is I can take it here and move down there. I can actually throw it off and toss it over here. We have one piece of rope. Now, I dropped off some. Okay. Now this was a piece of rope, right? Okay. And did you find any trapdoors or anything in this? No. Okay. Good. And did you find any kind of problems? No magnets or anything like that? Okay, good. Well, I want to tell you a story that, you know, when you know magic, like I said, I was very young when I learned that. When you know magic, it's something that usually goes in with the rest of your life as well. And when I was in high school, when I was taking physics, we had this professor who would come to our school every once a week and tell us about, you know, things like quantum physics and stuff like that. Never had any idea what he was talking about, but it was impressive. And what I did is I went up to him one day with these 3 pieces of rope, and he said, well, interesting. And I said, well, you know they're all the same length. He said, you know you're flunking this class. And I said, no. I said, no, really, if you take a look at it, we have 3 pieces of rope, and we take all the ends and we put them all at the same place. You'll see that they're all exactly the same length. Well, beautiful. And I said, but you know, it's not just the ends that are the same length. It's actually the ropes that are the same length. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3 pieces of rope that are all exactly the same length. Now I have to tell you, this was a professor's nightmare because he just couldn't believe that this is what was happening. He said, how do you do it? I don't understand. Quantum physics doesn't even explain it. And I turned to him and I said, I don't know, doctor. Every time I do it, I end up with a little one, a medium-sized one,